Hi everybody, it's Carol Marak here, and I have the idea to start a membership site around what I already know, do, and love. And the idea came to me a few days ago, and I'd like to know if you'd be interested. So the idea emerged from recognizing a common desire for deeper engagement beyond my workshops, webinars, and seminars. And participants often express, the need for further guidance and support as they navigate the issues of aging alone. And the club itself, or the community, would entail engaging with others who understand the solo concerns and sharing similar challenges. We would cultivate new habits, develop skills, and enjoy ongoing discussions to deepen our understanding of living well independently. Gaining access to extensive collection of materials and resources that I provide, specifically designed to address the complexities of solo living. And of course, a community support. We would start out by evaluating our risk using my life plan assessment. A private Facebook group would be provided where you could connect with peers and share insights, hopes, and experiences. And then have monthly Zoom meetings with me and the club members. In the Zoom sessions, you could ask questions and even seek advice and collaboration with other members. And then, of course, adding more is attend, expert Q&As, which I would bring in professionals addressing aging-related issues into the conversation via a Zoom call. But right now, this is just an idea, but for certain, if I decide to move forward, and at launch, you decide to join, you would be a founding member, which includes special pricing, of course. But right now, all I want to know if this sounds like a community you'd like to be part of. So if I hear a yes, just fill out the form below. You'll see a link below. Well, thank you for listening, and I'd love to be part of this community with you if you want. Thank you.